Is a storm door just another layer, or does it actually make a difference when it comes to home protection? And is it really worth the investment when you already have a quality front or back door? In this video, we'll explain what storm doors do, how they protect your home, and if a storm door is the right fit for you. By the end, you'll know whether or not adding a storm door is a smart upgrade for your home and how it could help you avoid weather damage, energy loss, and more. Hi, my name is Nick and I'm with Hoel Roofing and Remodeling, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what a storm door is and what exactly are the benefits of having a storm door. The storm door is a secondary door that helps protect your main entryway door from weather damage, debris, and can also help improve energy efficiency. Storm doors typically include either a full view glass window or a screen, or sometimes they can also have both. So how do storm doors help with weather protection and energy efficiency? So they help with weather protection by providing that extra layer of protection against any sort of debris from hitting that main entryway door. And as far as the energy efficiency goes, it helps by reducing any sort of possible drafts going in through that main entryway door, and also creates an air pocket in between the storm door as well as that front door that helps insulate that front entryway door a lot better. So a lot of the glass on these storm doors will have a low E coating on them, so it helps protect against UV rays as well as infrared lights. And in that pocket of air that is created between the storm door and that main entryway door helps to keep your house cooler in the summertime as well as warmer in the wintertime by keeping the drafts from the outside out and keeping all the air from the inside in. So what additional security benefits does a storm door offer? A storm door just serves as a secondary unit in which you can lock between the outside and then the inside. It also includes tempered glass, so that's going to be much more difficult for a possible intruder to break through, and just serves as a barrier from the outside to the inside on top of whatever entryway door that you do have. So when is it a good idea to install a storm door? A couple things to keep in mind when thinking about possibly installing a storm door is if you have an possibly old wooden door or a lot of draft issues coming in through that entryway, that would be a good circumstance in which you may want to go ahead and purchase a storm door and get it installed. Another reason to have a storm door installed is if you don't want to spend the money to replace that entire main entryway door, a storm door is a more cost-effective option to help reduce any sort of possible drafts coming in through that main entryway. Now, if you already have an existing storm door and you're noticing possible drafts coming in through that storm door, or maybe it's not closing properly, or maybe some of that glass has broken on that storm door, then that's also another good time to think about possibly going ahead and replacing that storm door to again get that energy efficiency as well as that secondary layer of protection for your home. Storm doors may seem optional, but they do a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to extreme weather and protecting your home. If you'd like to dive deeper, please click the link below. And if you'd like to talk over your options, please feel free to give us a call at 765-561-4023. We're here to help you find the right fit for your home and your budget.